What's going on, guys? There's here.
What's going on, guys? There's Hera and I'm a British dog. Oh, have you know I'm a British dog?
Oh, have you know that you did do that to me with it getting away with it?
British dog.
My skirt is cooler than everyone's.
Can science alone unlock the path to enlightenment?
Beer.
This hot take says Chase Claypool is better than Mike Evans.
2, 1. Round 1. Capture the objective.
Wrong crowd, it seems.
I didn't even
Chase
listen
Claypool is
to
better than
yours.
Mike. Mike Evans is a top 5 receiver.
Mike Evans has had
really.
8.
8 consecutive. Oh, over the last 10 years, he's a top 5 receiver.
Just...
Yeah, jumped in the hole.
Oh my god, dude!
Hey, Lucio just booped him out of my stun.
I actually hate him.
Yeah, we beat
I think she's retarded.
Oh,
And I'm not gonna hit him. Actually, there's...
Okay.
Oh, he's listening. I'm sorry.
bitch.
The objective is now.
I'm going in Zara.
I just...
Hey, Zarya's
Where are
at
they?
1. Zarya's very low. Zarya's 1.
Yeah, killing you ever so slowly, Jordan.
I know.
That doofus is really low.
Next
And he
dead.
got all of his health back.
Nick!
God, why do we have a fucking Lucio?
Yeah, you gotta switch turns. We need more healing.
There's Switcher, I'm gonna play copyrighted music and just ruin this whole video.
Literally.
Fucking do it.
Buddy.
Huge.
Let him sleep, let him
Very
sleep.
tired.
Nice, Stirs. Thanks, Stirs. You shot at him, I saw you.
Who?
You! The Reinhardt's sleeping. The
Oh.
man at one.
Oh yeah, it probably was me.
I mean, no.
Nice. And this guy just sacked me. No time too soon. There's an Ana on the left.
I'm
Thank
dead.
you.
Wanna die? In this doomfist?
Oh my god.
Hammered down
You should take that... Oh, never mind. Yeah, Jordan, I jumped in there and I did 80 damage to like 2 of them.
Go where I'm needed.
I was unfortunately dead at the time.
I'm taking care of you.
Got the pin, Jordan. Who resin?
We got 2 of them.
I got hacked. Pressing, can I get a bubble?
Oh!
She just...
Wow.
Did she ult?
Yeah.
Yes. I got Doom.
Hey.
Or Nate got Doom.
You.
But... I mean, I hit him. A couple
We.
times.
So, somewhere behind.
Slept.
Yeah, she's down here. HS.
Healing stream engaged.
It only got me one charge, Jordan, if you can believe that.
as I'm flying in the air. Yeah.
Oh my god, that did not pin me!
I'm gonna die from this doomfist.
Hey, I was gonna ult. Dude, I gotta probably switch. This was destroying me.
Dude, how did that
I sleep.
Nate, there's a doomfist right behind you.
Hey, guess what? He did so much.
Nate.
He got so much health from.
Samra's so
He
goofy.
got so much health from smacking me
saw
that my
that.
fan the hammer didn't kill him. And then he walked right into the fucking health back.
Nice.
Huh.
Okay.
I'm pinning away, and that brings me back.
I'm anti. That's so funny, dude.
I got both the
I'm
healers.
gonna die. Here.
Well,
Ryan's
guys
dead.
touch?
Just gonna touch.
I can, but I need healing.
Here, let's touch, Nick. Let's touch.
I'm coming back with a ult. Alright, Anna's gonna die to the Sombra.
Doom's one.
Enemy contra.
Go on, Nick.
Ryan's in this room. He left.
Hold on.
Damage amplified.
Come on.
This anti-moron.
Back out there.
You cannot. She hacked? She got someone?
Somehow she did.
There's a Doomfist above and behind somewhere.
Let me get you patched up.
I'm ulting. Oh, tanks. Okay.
The Doomfist is just
Zarya is
sitting back
one.
here.
I got hacked, Nick. You're good.
Yeah.
I got him, I got him. Oh, wait.
I'm a sleepio. I'm so funny.
You're a fucking bitch. You're a huge bitch. Like a huge bitch. He was 1 HP.
Got him.
Thank you.
I'm slept again.
Nice, Nick.
How is
I
that
need help,
fair?
George, just keep me alive.
Dude, how is that fair to me? Like, she sleeps me and I get lasered for 3 seconds while I'm getting up.
Nate's on.
How is that
Baptiste
fair?
is on, Nate's on.
Back, I'm walking.
Just get to the point.
He's getting fucked.
I must go.
Just got thrown around like a fucking white girl in college.
Hey! I went through the map!
What do we need to switch? I'm not doing well at all.
Okay, so you...
Score.
But you're also getting fucked by the Sombras, so.
I have 3 gold medals, though.
Maybe you need to go to Pig, Preston? Could that be it?
She's anti-ing me.
I'll be busy
Oh.
soon enough.
True.
I might go Sig. But they also have Zarya.
Orisa?
And if I get hacked, Orisa actually would be nice. If I get hacked, I can't do the reason I'm going Pig.
Let me get you patched up.
5,
If they don't have Ana this round, I think you should go to Pig.
1.
I will. But they are going to. She's
They're gonna
hot
have
right
an
now.
Ana.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's
but
on.
there's a 1 in a million chance we're not going Ana.
Their Doomfist is on point, it sounds like.
I'm
Yeah, he
dead.
is.
I stunned him.
Yeah, he's 1 HP. Nice.
Sombra behind.
We should kill Zarya.
They're all in this room. Jesus.
Reinhardt on point. Oh.
Man, you're just getting pocketed, aren't you? You little fucking.
Reinhardt's going around behind us. Reinhardt is going around to our spawn behind us. Nate, you gotta watch out.
Who is?
Reinhardt. He's in this room, I'm pretty sure. Where is he? Oh no, he's behind us. He's behind us. He's behind us, Shortmarker.
Well played.
Shit.
Let's get you back out there. Damage increase.
Just laser the shield.
How'd I not grab him there?
Preston, just laser Ryan's shield.
Yeah, man.
Just Pepper Ryan. Pepper Ryan. Man, how do you
Keep
get
it up,
shot
keep it
so
up.
fast?
100 health.
Just keep it up.
He got healed literally instantly.
Tactical visor activated.
Thanks, Nick.
Where would you be without me?
Oh my
Dude, this Ryan.
antis, dude. This is wild.
I need healing, please.
I'm hacked.
Dude, these fucking bubbles.
There's
And-
new. Oh, thank you.
Hack / sword. I say it.
Everyone heal up.
Zarya's 1.
And
Nice.
I was about to high noon.
Oh my god. Dude. Honestly, I wouldn't mind a fucking Sombra right here. You guys are pissing me the fuck off.
Fuck, they found me.
I might ult and switch to Pharah.
Someone's chasing me.
There's fight me.
Damage output increased.
Doomfist in there to your left.
Okay. Oh no.
Oh
You
my
fucking are so bad. He's so bad.
Okay, we shouldn't be pushing on here with 3 people.
No, we shouldn't. We keep doing this weird 3v3 split. Like we're.
Well, we got 2 of them.
Yeah.
Here comes the
Got
other
3
4.
of them left. I'm pretty sure.
They just
You're a
grabbed.
pussy. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Wait, that was a huge Moro.
Wow.
Spectating Nate while he was saying that was the funniest
They're
thing.
wasting all their ults over here.
Yeah, they are.
I'm taking care of you.
I got the point.
How
wait,
did
no, I
you not
don't.
get the point?
Oh my god, bro.
I'm dead.
And I'm dead.
Oh, I'm dead.
Bro,
I'm literally
this is
dead,
the
Reinhardt.
fucking pin magnet,
28
bro.
Reinhardt's 200 health.
Preston mode is low
so-
health. Wow, we got it.
Speedy recovery.
Nick's sticking on a Reinhardt by himself.
Can someone sprint?
I won.
Nick, can you sprint back to me?
he was 1 health.
I have 100.
Your support has arrived.
No, you don't.
Go crazy.
A touch from
I want to save my my thing. Nope, come back. Let's go.
Nice.
They're going in the side.
Yeah, I'm gonna place my thing down. Okay, I'm placing my thing down on the point.
Yeah, place it
hang on.
behind you.
Oh, hey, I got hit after I was slept.
Yeah, I'm placing it down.
Resing Jordan.
Thank you, perfect.
How did I just get hammered down?
Dude, how did
No res.
that killed me?
Nice,
Nice,
Nate.
Nate.
Nice, Nate.
Huge.
Big. And
Who's on the point?
2 people.
Just dead.
healing stream engaged.
Big Joseph moment right there, Nate. Big Joseph moment.
Oh yeah.
Getting insane clutch.
Round, round.
Dude, my Chipotle bowl today, I must say, if you're watching Chipotle, was fucking awful.
That's not the route I was expecting that one to go.
Rice on half of the bowl, and then the other
Did you
half. had
shake
all
it
the
up?
beans.
And you paid
Yes, of course I shook it
$16
up.
for
But
it.
normally I get a full thing of rice and a full thing of beans because I get extra on everything through the app. So normally it's packed to the fucking brim, but it was an Africa portion.
That's the thing. If you order on the app, it saves a lot of time, but you don't get to see it be made.
There's just damage boost me this
Yeah.
entire game, and we're gonna win.
You could be like, "Hey, you fucking idiot worker! That's not how I wanted it."
Yeah. Hey, can you put a little more chicken on that? Hey, more.
You better have the
Maybe
aimbot on.
more.
Nick.
It was behind or somewhere. I just heard him do some funny. Oh
Nice.
yeah, that's
Way to
right.
punch the wall.
I pulled him down. Yeah. Moron.
Trace-
How did she have
Tracers-
all of her blinks? She just used 9 blinks.
Versus
Rissa's
one.
There's one.
Tracer.
I'm capturing the objective.
Dude.
Hey, man.
Jordan.
Who was on the
Wow.
point?
Zarya's one, no bubble.
I'm
Oh
taking
my god. Doofus.
Doofus is 1.
Do this Tracer, man. I got
Trixie, you're a
it.
fucking pussy.
Oh my god, Zarya's 1 HP again.
No, she's not. She's
Healers are
actually
insane.
completely full health.
When she needs to die, she needs to die.
Dude,
How was she not dead?
Dead.
Oh my god. Heaven and earth
Dead.
are moving. Come here.
Dead.
Yeah.
their Ana is insane.
damage increase.
Dead. Oh my god.
She
If I kill her,
really
if I kill her. Oh wait, where's this Doomfist?
is. One.
Don't stop now.
Oh, sorry, no bubble. Sorry, no bubble.
Getting that thing.
Go crazy.
For your safety, please move behind the barrier.
Tracer going around. Tracer going around. Watch out, Mora.
Dumbass.
Yeah.
It somehow gets me.
Might be able to ult and come res you.
Oh shit.
Valhalla.
No, don't. There's. Just heal.
Dude, who is shooting me?
Nate getting ready for the hammer down here. Or the. Oh, yep, here he is. Nice.
But their tanks are
Nate,
really
Ash
good.
is up where you were.
She's pretty low. I hit her in the head a bunch of times.
Fuck yeah, Nate. I'm resing Moira.
Alright. My
Nice.
god, dude. Thank god. I need healing.
Who the
Thank
fuck
you.
uses teabag?
One of
Oh,
the
they don't
DPS.
have a doofus anymore. Okay.
Dude, I'm getting so much ult charge when I.
That McCree's
and I'm-
1.
I'm gonna walk into this fire strike. Jordan, hammer down here.
Performance.
Right up
Or
behind.
else.
Right up behind. Right up behind. He's gonna hammer down.
I tried to preclude the hammer down.
Tactical visor activated.
Here comes. He's trying to break his shield. Nice.
I got slept. Oh my god.
Jesus Christ. McCree on
Dude,
me.
I just woke up.
Nice, Nick.
Come on. Yeah, Jordan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now. On point.
Come on, Moira.
Point. Just
Come on,
Ana.
Moira.
Where is
Ana.
she?
Just Ana. She's running around.
Get Anna. Shut the fuck
It
up.
is. You could sprint. She was outrunning you.
George, you
fucking.
fucking
I didn't know
Shove
where
that
she
cock of
was, you
yours inside of
fucking
him.
moron.
Probably on the point, Nick.
Hey, Preston, it's a pretty decently
The
sized
circle.
point, so I ran
It's
around.
a circle, actually.
She was in the middle. You died.
Hey,
I
we
carried
won.
I died fighting
Shut
2
up.
people.
We
Nope.
shut up now. Shut up.
Nope.
Nope. Jordan, fuck
Look at this map.
you.
What'd you do, Nick? Watch Nate get all the kills? Yeah.
I had the most
There we go.
kills and the most damage.
Most kills. Of course, he likes
Outro.
himself.
Thank you, faggots, very much for watching. Hit that notification bell.